Today, we're gonna see how to change Webull cash account to margin. Firstly, launch the app of your brokerage of Webull, then log in with your username and password. Locate the menu or profile tab, typically found at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on Settings and Manage Brokerage Account. Look for the Upgrade Account or Change Account Type option. Select Margin Account from the available options. Some brokerages require a minimum balance, so read through the terms and conditions, including risk associated with margin trading. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the upgrade. Some brokerages may require additional identity verification before approval, like Webull. Just wait for approval and you'll receive a notification once your account is successfully upgraded. Once approved, you'll have access to margin trading features. Be mindful of interest rates and margin calls. Trading on margin comes with additional risks. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.